This series of video addresses different technology obstacles in everyday law firms, and then it's just our thoughts on how to overcome them. So first, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell for more videos on law firm technology talk. In this video, we're going to talk about the third obstacle common to many law firms. This is your processes and finding the weakest link. So what does that mean? Well, we see so many law firms who have processes in place for their intake or any other part of the firm. They determine the process isn't working and they throw out the whole process instead of finding what is broken. When a process doesn't work, it doesn't mean the whole process is broken, usually. It normally means that there's just a part of the process that needs tweaking or revamping, and that's okay. Never stop growing. Always evaluate why you do the things that you do. And that video is coming up in this series, teaching you how to question yourself and your processes in a way that stimulates growth and efficiency within your law firm. But I digress. So let me give you an example of a complete intake process and how to analyze what is working and what isn't without throwing out the entire system. This is finding your weakest link. So this is a conversion chart that automatically populates. It is our custom report from Actionstep and Lawmatics and soon to be Clio. You can purchase this for your law firm. It's just a tiny piece of the full report, but it's what we want to focus on today. What we see here is every step in an intake process and the various paths to each step. You can see the conversion rate between each step and option. Mind you, the numbers might be a little skewed. This is demo data. But for example, from initial contact to workshop, there's a 64% conversion of those initial calls to registering for a workshop. On the flip side, there's only 13% from initial call to consultation directly. That's okay. You say that you're not engaging enough people, so start the process from scratch. Well, that's not always the best idea, because from this chart, we can see the initial contact is not the issue, nor is them registering for a workshop. That part works. We do see that only 40% of those from a workshop are scheduling a consultation. So let the tweaks begin. So revisit your workshop script. Are you setting the expectation throughout the entire workshop that they are going to schedule a consultation at the end of a workshop? Are your stories that you are telling relatable to most people? Or are they written in really legal language, legalese? Maybe you need to dumb down your script language to be more relatable and then set more expectations. Try that and see if it fixed the problem. Then move on to your next part of the process and so on and so forth. That's how you dissect a process and tweak each part instead of just starting over. Dial into the weaknesses and don't break your strengths. So maybe if it's an intake issue, your intake team or client service coordinators need some more coaching. That's healthy and that's okay. Let's all make ourselves teachable and malleable in order to grow as individuals and as a law firm. Maybe the problem is the conference room and it's getting too far into the legal weeds when people only want to know that you can help them and that they will get the results that you are promising. They don't need to know how to be a lawyer. That's why they came to you. And that's how you turn the dial into success. You don't always have to make a gigantic elephant step. Taking millimeter steps can be just as effective, if not more. They can be the most powerful because they are well thought out. So what is holding you back from working on your processes? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Well, we can help you through this. What I showed you today is absolutely the easiest with our pre-built workflow and report. Though you can do this with a pen and some math, and you can get to these numbers as well. It is time consuming though to do on your end, especially when you have to keep redoing it to see if your small course corrections are making a difference. We must always remember that everyone is human and growth is possible within your firm and with every role within your firm. Analyze, tweak, touch up, shift, course correct, and coach your team. Never stop growing. Your processes are the framework for your firm and its success. Make them work for you instead of them running you. I understand this is a huge topic and I only skim the surface, but that's to get your brain going on what you can do to help your firm grow. If you do want to talk about this with us or your technology and database with us, absolutely schedule the free discovery meeting. We would love to hear about your weaknesses, strengths, and goals for the future and help you create a path to success with the use of a proper database and technology, or using your database to its full potential to support you with your processes. Technology is the driving force to support you in developing amazing, effective, and efficient processes. So in the next video in this series, we are going to talk about GPS your location. This will discuss the importance of knowing your numbers, how many consults, conversions, marketing, and so much more. You won't want to miss that one, so watch for the email with the link coming up. So I do hope you found this to be a good use of your few minutes here with us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you won't miss any of our Tech Talk videos. Take care. Until next time.